Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. I thought I'd better show you this because this is a flower carpet rose. Now, a flower carpet rose is what's known as a ground covering rose. That means if you plant these in a bed or a border, or you could also use them as a low hedge, it will spread its branches almost like along the ground. It will form a clump, or a bush rather, about 1 metre tall and 1 metre wide. And maintenance is dead easy as well. If you want to prune it, you could take a hedge trimmer to this. It's really simple to keep. But that's the special thing about it. If you've got an area to cover, weeds are a problem, ground covering plants and a ground covering rose will just cover that area and cut out the light to the soil, the weeds stop growing. So that's a real good benefit of a ground covering plant. Now, with the flower carpet rose, I've found these, I've got these in my own garden, they're almost evergreen. If it's a mild winter, they are evergreen. I've had this flowering, this variety, the pink, in my garden from April right through to the end of November. So it's a really tough hardy plant, and it's got a lot of flower power to it. It just keeps flowering and flowering and flowering. It's easy to look after. If you find the bushes and spreading too much, you just shear them off with hedge trimmers and they grow back next year, flower beautifully. This is the pink one. I've got another colour called Sunset here, and they're just a really good plant. So that's a recommendation for you. Roses, the flower carpet series. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.